Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Jamal Sir Mathematics. And today we'll discuss practice set 5.2 of algebra. Let's see fourth question. Total number of lions and peacocks. We all love animals. And to see the animals we need to go where? In the zoo. So the total number of animals are how many? 50. Total number of their legs is 140. Now the main question, find the number of lions and peacocks. So for example, one morning we went to a zoo. There we found some peacocks and some lions. We total counted them. The total number of countings together is what? 50. Now what exactly the question? The question is find the exact number of peacocks and lions. That we don't know. So what we'll do? We'll take some assumptions. So first assumption, let number of the first animal is what? Lion. Let the number of lions be how much? Let us take them as X. Right? Second name is what? Peacock. So we'll write number of peacocks B. The second alphabet will take what? Yes, Y. Clear? Now again back to the question. To get the first condition. So I am writing here according to first condition. Now what is this first condition? Back to the question. Total number of lions and peacocks, right, is what in a zoo is 50. It means if we will put them together, whom? All the peacocks and all the lions, if we will put them together, so the total number is what? 50. So what is lion? Look, the number of lion is what? X. Right? Similarly, number of peacocks, what we have taken? Y. If we will count them together, so means X plus Y is equals to how much? This will give you total as 50. And this becomes equation number 1 from first condition. Clear all? Now next condition. Before moving towards next condition, look, total number of their legs. Now we are talking about legs. So we all know every lion, one lion will have how many legs? 4 legs, right? So we'll mention here lion has 4 legs. Have you ever seen a peacock? Yes. Peacock has how many? 2 legs. And peacock has 2 legs. Okay students? Now we'll move towards second condition. So we'll write here according to second condition. Now what this second condition is? The total number of their legs is what? 140. Again, total means what? We need to add all the animals' legs. So we all know lion has how many legs? 4 legs, right? So I'll write here 4. 4 is what? 4 is the number of legs. Who is having 4 legs? Lion. So lion is what? Look, we have taken lion as X. So X having 4 legs. What about peacock? Peacock we have taken as Y. Right? And we all know every peacock has 2 legs. So this time 2Y. And when we will count them together, means what? Plus. Total how many legs? 140. This is my second condition. Can we take something common? Yes. I can take 2 as common. So 2 2s are 4x. Right? Next 2 I have taken common. We left Y. Then we got 140. Let us divide. 2 1s are 2 7s are. So my second equation will be 2x plus y equals to 70. This will be my second equation. Clear students? Do we all have understood exactly? how we got equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, now let's move further. Next step is what? Now we'll check number of coefficients. So look, number of coefficient, how many x? 1x, but here I am adding 2x, they are not equal. Next, number of y? 1, here 1, yes, first step achieved. Number of coefficients are equal. Now second is what? Now we'll look for their signs. Let us check their sign. Here y is positive, here again the y is what? Positive. Since both are having same sign, so what we'll do? We will subtract them. So we'll write here subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. Let us subtract them. What is equation number 1? X plus y equals to 50. Equation number 2 is 2x plus 1y. 2x plus 1y is how much? 70. What we have written? Subtracting. What this subtraction does? Subtraction means we'll put minus sign. Now what this minus sign will do? It will affect all the signs. Now this was positive, now this becomes minus. It was plus y, now it becomes minus y. Look, earlier it was plus y, now it becomes minus y. Similarly, this also minus. Clear everyone? Now next one. Look, plus 1y minus 1y will get cancelled. Plus minus minus 2x minus 1x, I will get minus 1x. 70 minus 50, how much? Minus 20. So minus minus again will get cancelled. So at the last we'll get x equals to 20. So we got first variable x. Now what was my x? Look, number of lions. So x is what? Number of lions. So this way we got the number of lion as 20. But I need to find both lion as well as peacock. So what we'll do? We can put this value? Yes. So we'll write here. Put x equals to 20. Where? In any equation, which one you want. Let's say we'll take equation number 1. So we'll write here in equation 1. Now what we'll do? We will copy equation number 1 first. So equation number 1 is x plus y equals to 50. Do we have x? Yes. I'll write here 20. Y, this we don't know. This as it is 50. Next step, who will travel? Plus 20 will shift that side. So y equals to 50 minus 20. 50 minus 20 how much? 30. So my y is what? 30. Clear everyone? Understood all? So this way we got x as well as y. But what was the question? Find the number of lions and peacocks. So at the end we'll write the final statement. Number of lions was x and x I got 20. So we'll write here number of lions is how much? 20. Now 20 is what? Number of lions. Similarly, the last is what? Number of peacocks is how much? Y. Number of peacocks is 30. So this way we got exact number of animals. 20 are lions and 30 we got peacock. This was question number 4 from the practice set 5.2. Hope you all have enjoyed and you all have understood as well. Okay, thank you so much.